1.1. Setting up the environment. Python and Visual Studio Code. Welcome to the virtual cockpit of programming, where we're about to embark on a coding adventure. Think of this as your digital canvas where you, the artist, will soon bring your ideas to life. Let's gear up and install Python and Visual Studio Code, our paint and paintbrush for the masterpiece that is coding. First, we're going to Python's website. No need to tangle with the snakes, we're here for python.org. On this site, you'll find a button that says Download Python. Click it with the gusto of a treasure hunter, but make sure to select the version that winks at your operating system, be it Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once the installer is downloaded, open it. Here's the fun part. You'll see a checkbox at the bottom that says Add Python to Path. This is like giving Python a VIP pass to your computer's command line. Check it. Then, proceed with the installation. A quick tip, choosing Install Now takes care of all the default settings, making your life as breezy as a beach vacation. With Python cozily installed, it's time to introduce Visual Studio Code, affectionately known as Versus Code, your new digital diary for scribbling down your code. Hop over to the Versus Code website and hit the download link. After running the installer, accept the license agreement, the digital pinky promise. As you continue, tick all the boxes that allow Versus Code to be accessed from the context menu. This is like putting a teleport device in your right click. It makes jumping into coding as easy as pie, and who doesn't like pie? Now, with Versus Code open, Teresa quartet of squares on the left, that's your extension marketplace. Click it and search for Python. It should be the first one you see, just like finding your name at the top of the nice list. Install it and watch as Versus Code transforms into a Python powerhouse. Lastly, let's test if everything's tickety-boo. Open Versus Code, click Terminal on the top bar, and select New Terminal. This is your backstage pass to your computer's command line through Versus Code. Type Python version and press Enter. Like a genie confirming your wish, it should display the version of Python you installed. If it does, congratulations. You've successfully set up your Python environment. Now, remember, while Python is a beast of burden in the coding world, capable of heavy lifting, it's also as graceful as a gazelle when it comes to running your program smoothly. And Versus Code is your trusty companion, always ready to highlight your syntax errors like a friend who tells you to spinach in your teeth. As we close this chapter, let your fingers dance on the keyboard, for you are about to compose symphonies of code. Get ready to embrace Python with all the enthusiasm of a coder at a hackathon. Keep your head high, your logic clear, and your semicolons in check. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious.